Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable guest mode in Google Chrome. It will be really simple and easy. As you can see, we are on Google Chrome. If it says you are currently browsing as a guest, so by browsing as a guest page, you view in this window won't appear in the browser history and they won't leave other traces like cookies on the computer after you close all open guest windows. Any files you download will be preserved however. Now go ahead and disable guest mode in Google Chrome. It's really easy. Open up a new tab. So just come in the top right corner and you can see the guest profile here. If you go ahead and click on these three dots and you can see this menu come up. Now if you hover over the guest option here, all you want to do is select this option which says close this profile, and what it's going to do is close down and disable guest mode in Google Chrome. As you can see, we have now been in our Chrome profile. If you're not currently logged in, it's going to ask you to log in, and that's pretty much it. That's how to disable guest mode in Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.